Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Fiesta seat tilt handle. First, gather your tools, primarily a small flathead screwdriver. Position the seat so you have clear access to the handle area. Carefully examine the broken handle to understand how it connects to the seat mechanism. This initial preparation will make the replacement process much smoother and quicker. Taking a moment to assess the situation saves time later. Now, let's remove the old handle. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off any plastic trim or cover surrounding the handle's base. Be gentle to avoid damaging the surrounding upholstery. Once the cover is off, you'll see a retaining pin or a small screw. Remove this fastener to free the broken handle from its pivot point. Keep track of any small parts you remove. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new seat tilt handle with the mechanism on the seat. Make sure it sits flush and correctly engages with the internal components. Reinsert the retaining pin or screw you removed earlier, ensuring it's snug and secure. Give the handle a few gentle tugs and tilts to confirm it operates smoothly and locks into place. Finally, reattach any plastic covers or trim pieces you removed, making sure they snap firmly back into place. Double-check the seat tilt function several times to ensure it's working reliably and smoothly. A properly functioning handle is crucial for comfort and safety. For more great tips and product recommendations, including a link to the Owala water bottle to help you stay hydrated, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.